for any interior designer or any bosses, any businesses. You want to make money. So if you do something not make money, you should stop. Basically, I think I always tell my students, so this is very important, is that you must have passion. You must love what you are doing, so that you won't feel like you are working. Passion is I developed it from young time, because I wasn't come from a rich family. So basically, I do my study, I work part-time. So I always see the display artists to display, beautiful product, and also like a lot of like different merchandise and make it beautiful, make it a campaign. So from there I get inspiration. A lot I see are so inspired. Wow, how wonderful you can make something so beautiful. Whenever they finish the season already, I will talk to them. So then I will say, hey, can you give me the props? Then I go back, I display at my room. So my mom saw me like, hey, wow, you can display. So he gave me a small corner in the living hall, Mid-Autumn Festival, the Mooncake Festival time. So I always display that corner. So it became like developed. I start my own company. During the economic crisis, 97, 98 the time. So quite a big hit for me. Need to work all over again. I decided, okay, I come back. But this time, I apply what I learned previously. Then I start to go for the media side by using educational system. Teach people how to do design, do deco. Oh yes, of course. I always get inspired from different industrial people. So I have two very important persons in my life, which is they are my mentor. First one is Jamie Oliver. Because Jamie Oliver, everybody know he make cooking very simple. So you no need to measure how many spoons to cook a good dish. Then Lilian too make feng shui so simple and so easy to access everybody. So I was thinking why not I make interior design a very easy one. That's why how I start developing X step, how to make the space transformation. Then I start doing the TV show, writing columns, publish book, the publisher come and look for me. So then I develop seminar series. This is how I get inspiration from both of them. The biggest challenge actually is me myself because I think the biggest challenge here is that service we are providing very competitive and at the same time accessible. That means that everybody else can get in touch with you. That I think is very big challenge for this era. The career is that you need to make people know you first. So that is a challenge. The people who believe in system. So I always sit down, brainstorm, develop system, develop strategy to implement what I have planned to do. So that is very important. The biggest challenge, and you need to overcome it. Malaysia, I would say, is improving. That is for sure. If you compare 10 or 20 years ago, the general public, when they get their house key, the new house key, that they don't get interior designer to design their house. They just buy off-shelf those ready-made furniture to just use it, and they start living already. I think for me, as an interior designer, as an educator, play a very important role because we are educating the public to what is called interior design. If let's say you go out from any buildings in Malaysia, you will see left, right, behind, in front, surrounding us is the buildings, the new buildings. So there is the market already. So I would say the market is increasing. So it's just the challenge for now, the interior designer or even the contractor, how to tap into the market. That is a very challenging and very important strategy you need to plan. Dear parents, very important, don't force your children to learn interior design, or don't force yourself to accept interior design. Interior design is an art and design course, so you need to have interest and passion. If your kids don't have interest on designing, don't have the passion about interior design, if they say they have the interest, they have the passion about this design or art, so they will learn happily, then they will perform very well, and they will continue when they finish the school, then they will continue this career. Otherwise, they get a diploma or the degree, they will go for somewhere else, and then you are wasting their time, wasting your effort. If a kid, they really like to see detail, like to know how to do it, why we do it, I think there is a potential one. So don't force them. Don't force a kid to learn interior design. Ask them to see whether they like this industry or not. So that's important. Keep learning, keep seeing things, keep talking to people, keep build your networking. This is very important. And know your market. You must know your market well so that you can develop your service, your product to serve this market, then you can make money. Remember, ultimate for any interior designer or any bosses, any businesses, you want to make money. So if you do something not make money, you should stop.